Hi guys, this is Jessica with Irish Fest here with Athas, Jeff and Heather, and they're going to tell us a little bit about their band.
Yeah, we're a traditional Irish music trio that's based out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We have one more member, Amy, who's not here with us today, who plays Baron. We've been together since 2005, and we're excited to be playing at Milwaukee Irish Fest 2011.
Great, thanks, and we're looking forward to seeing you, and check out Athas as well as all the other great local bands playing at Irish Fest August 18th through the 21st. Take it away, guys.